Hey there, welcome back to the channel. It's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm revisiting a video I did a while back, and I am making some sunflowers. So I'm using a petal tip, and I have the fat end down and the skinny side up, and I'm just going to start by piping a half circle around for a base, and then I'm going to make upside down U's for the petals. As I'm going around, I am going to kind of wiggle my piping bag a little bit so that I add some ruffles to the sides of the leaves. And then when I get to the bottom here, I'll pipe one more petal on this side, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a second row. So it's like I've got about 3/4 of the way of a circle piped with petals, and then I'll add a second row here. Following the same process, just upside down U's, kind of wiggling my piping bag as I'm making that U. My icing is a stiff consistency, and now I'm going to go ahead and pipe in the middle with some brown icing, again using a pretty stiff piping consistency, not quite as stiff as what I'm using for the petals. And then I'm going to put the bottom on here by making some petals that go up instead of out. Again, making just upside down U's, but kind of in a different direction and standing up instead of laying flat onto the parchment paper. And now I'll go back with my brown icing and add some little dots to the base of brown that we added before so that I have a dotted texture in the center of my sunflower. And you can use your scribe or a dampened paintbrush to kind of tuck in the petals underneath the flower at the bottom of your flower. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop a note in the comments. Otherwise, I have new video tutorials every week, so hit that subscribe and like button. Thanks.